Step number 1 is to open this panel, put your fingers on the top and pull towards yourself, like this. Next, we need to remove the ink cartridges from the package. To know where to put them, it's very easy. Over here we have some colors, so we have magenta, cyan, yellow, and then black. Never mix them up. For example, this is the black ink cartridge. It's very easy, it's written on it. So you're gonna take it this way with this small tab on the back. You simply need to glide it in. So over here we have the black one that goes on the right side. Okay, glide it in the track and then you're gonna push it. Okay, better put a hand on the top of the printer, okay, until it clicks in place. Now let's do the same for the other ones. Now we're gonna put the yellow, same thing, glide it in the tracks and then push it. In the future, if you want to replace one of these, you can simply put your finger on the top of the edge of the ink cartridge you want to replace. Let's say I want to replace the yellow one. Put it here and push down. The ink cartridge will unclip itself and you'll be able to glide it out. Once you're done, close the lid. You're gonna hear some noises. This is because the printer noticed you have input some inks and you just have to wait a few seconds before continuing. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and if you need ink for this printer, I'll put links in the description to Amazon if you want to get some genuine Brother ink cartridges. You also support my channel every time you go through my links. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.